How to delete a Facebook page. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can delete a page that you've created on Facebook. So first of all, you need to know that you have to be an author or at least a manager of the page to have access to delete it or remove it. So what we're going to do is, this is my actual personal profile. What you need to do is, on the right hand side, you're going to go in and click on the page that you would like to delete. On the left hand side, you will see a rundown menu of everything that you can access. You will look for pages and you will click on that. Now you can see all of the pages that you actually manage here, and you want to go ahead and you want to click on the page that you would like to delete. On the left hand side over here, you will see that there is a dashboard, insights, ad center, create ads, and then there is a settings menu. You want to tap on the settings menu, and from here you will see that in your settings you have a bunch of different items on the menu. So on the left hand side now, you want to go over to privacy, and underneath privacy you will see Facebook page information. So once you've tapped on Facebook page information, the menu that will be brought up here, you can access the information, you can download the profile information, you can view and manage the activity log, and then you can manage the actual information itself. And the very last option right at the bottom, you can see it says deactivation and deletion. So this will temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your page. So once you tap on view on the right hand side of that, you can see here that you have two options. So if you want to take a break from Facebook, as they say, you can deactivate your page, and if you want to permanently delete your Facebook page, let us know. So you can either deactivate page, and this is temporary, or you can tap on delete page, and this is permanent. You will not be able to retrieve any information from the page once you have deleted the page. On the bottom of this window, you can see that there is a cancel and a continue. You're just going to go ahead and tap on continue, and that means your page will then be deleted. And that is how you delete a Facebook page from your Facebook profile, quickly and easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in another awesome, exciting video. Bye bye for now, folks.